How to create forms in Asana. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then search for asana.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, you can either tap on the home option or you can simply tap on the projects option and then select the project where you want to create a form. So as an example, I'm gonna select on this year-end HR report, and then in here what we need to do is to go on the top right of the screen and then tap on this customize option. After that, you will now see this forms option, and then in here we'll have to tap on this add option. After that, we can now start creating or editing our form. So in here we'll have to add a name, and then after that we'll also have to add a field. So as an example, I'm gonna type here HR, and then I'm just gonna add a name for my form. So as an example, I'm gonna type here questions on the hiring process. And then once you're done adding a name, you can also add a question description. And then if you scroll down, you can add here your email address. And then if you want to drag another question here, simply tap on this one. And then on the right part, you will see these questions. If you want to add attachments, simply tap on the attachments option. And then if you want to see the settings of the forms, simply tap on the settings option. And then in here, you can see task settings. And then if you scroll down, you will now see this form settings. In here, you can select who can access the form. So to do that, we'll have to tap on this arrow icon, and then you will be given 3 options here. From anyone can access, organization only, and then deactivated. So as for me, I'm just gonna select on this anyone can access. It will make easier for my team to access the form. And then once I'm done, I'll just have to go back. And then before publishing your form, if you want to view the form, simply go on top, and then in here you'll have to tap on this view form option. And then after that, it will automatically show you a preview of a form. And then after that, we'll just have to go back, and then to completely create the form, simply tap on this publish option. So that's how easy we can create forms in Asana. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.